Okay, there's a little bonus video beginning here. These guys were running around following me all over the yard when I pulled up, and the owner filled the container up with water and put 2 cups of birdseed in there. That's the way they like to eat it. I guess it's bird feed soup. But boy, they sure are cute. I'm gonna have to show my grandson these guys. So in today's job, this video is just the vacuuming portion. I thought I would put the video up for my vacuuming enthusiasts that like to watch vacuuming on YouTube. And I'm going to be using the VacMaster 8-gallon it's a 2-stage vacuum setup. It's a heavy duty shop vac with HEPA filter and a special vacuuming head that has a spinning beater bar, and boy does it spin. I'll show you later in the video here, but here's a quick walkthrough. I'll be doing 2 rooms. Hey kitty. And this is the one that's mainly just right there at the entry, but this is the one that always has problems. She's had spills and stuff. I'm not sure what these marks are. There's a few more here. And then, of course, up in the back area here where she smokes, she moved her nightstand out. That's tomato juice. I'll get that out. But right there, some of those are permanent burn marks. And a lot of them will come out. You'll see a lot of the ash just lift up when I vacuum. Pretty crazy. Okay, let me get set up and let's go. Are they? All right. No worries. enjoyed that, check this out. Can you see the brush roller? It is going ham. And that's powered just by the vacuum. There's no belt on there. Vacuum suction power. So there you go. Okay, stay tuned for the next video where I do some amazing cleaning. I'm going to try out an over-the-counter product. So stay tuned.